problema po ba?
Hello, good day. So, this is my work. So, we go to server manager and then tools and then active directory. So, I show you I created accounting, auditors, employees, HR, IT, and management and research, and stakeholder. So each folder have names for accounting is Guy, Stephen, auditors Bruce and Sally, and then employees Dean and Spencer and Tim. For the HR, Sarah. For the IT, Mortal, 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 Mortal. Management, Frank, Janine, and Pearl. For the research, Phil and Ted. And then stake is none. So we go to our files, the shortcut files. I close this. So we go to promise land. I click this one. You look what is on the inside. Stephen and Gay. Correct? Oh no. It's not double click. Property and security. Sally and Bruce. It's correct. Please. And Sarah. For the HR, Gray, IT, Myrtle, and management, Sarah, Janine, and Frank, and Pearl. So research. That okay. Okay. So that's all. Thank you.